Hey guys, welcome to the pond, or welcome back to the pond. I'm Jelena Profit, Duck Pond Detailing, and today we're going to see if Typhon Interior Cleaner by Pheonix EOD can clean this dirty Kia. Alright guys, so part one of this Kia video was cleaning the wheels and tires with Armor Detail Supply products. So go check that video out right after this one, but today we are going to clean the interior with Typhon. So Typhon is an interior detail product by Pheonix EOD. I will be totally transparent with you guys. I was sent these chemicals by the owner of Pheonix EOD, Aaron. However, I am not paid or sponsored to say anything. So again, if this is trash, I will dump it out, I'll throw it away, and I'll tell y'all. But if it's good, I'll tell y'all. So why do I have two? Well, because one is their normal interior cleaner and one is their interior cleaner with Bio Bomb Minis inside. So both of them we're going to put to the test today to see which one does a better job at cleaning this car. So this one is just their basic interior cleaner. It is also an odor neutralizer. This is their ready to use version. Now I was sent this bottle, there's nothing inside, and I was also sent the concentrate, so I diluted this myself. This is diluted in a 10:1 dilution ratio. That is what's really great about Pheonix EOD's interior products, and really all their products. They're hyper concentrated and super dilutable. So like literally the concentrate comes in a 16-ounce bottle like this, and you dilute it 10:1, so you literally get 10 16-ounce bottles. That's amazing. So what they say about their product, they say the key features are that it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals or dyes. It cleans and deodorizes. It's safe on most wettable surfaces like fabrics, vinyl, and most leather surfaces. I think it just means it's not safe on Alcantara. That's why it doesn't include it. And it says it gets rid of tough dirt without any residue. So we're going to see about that. And I don't think this product has any protection in it. It's scent-free, dye-free. Yeah, so this doesn't have any protection in it, so it should leave the surfaces OEM, but we're gonna see how it kind of leaves the surface. And then we got their Typhon interior cleaner ready to use with a Bio Bomb Mini inside. So again, I got the concentrate, their cleaner. I diluted this 15:1, and why I diluted it 15:1 was because we have that added cleaning and odor removal power from a Bio Bomb Mini. So all you do is you drop a Bio Bomb Mini into here and let it dissolve, and then you have this 32-ounce bottle of ready-to-use product. So what's great about this one is it already has all the features of Typhon interior cleaner, but it also has extreme odor removal features and neutralizing power because of the bio bombs. So it's great at cleaning. It removes oil and organic based stains. It keeps your fibers, your fabrics cleaner for longer. So yeah, it's also great on pet stains. So you know, we're gonna see how this one works too, to see if it cleans just as equal as their normal interior cleaner, or if this has a little bit more bite, or you know, whatever. We'll find out. We'll find out for you guys. So stick around. We're gonna do a couple of tests. Okay guys, so just like my interior detailer versus interior cleaner battle with Detail Co. and Ethos, I'm gonna do it on the door first, and we are doing this test extremely scientifically because we have our handy dandy blue tape, and we also have 2 scrub pads and 2 separate interior towels to see how this works. So we're first going to use Typhon on this side, and then we're going to use the Typhon and Bio Bomb Mini on this side of the car. So both of them have odor neutralizing capabilities, which is great for this car because this car has a cigarette smoke smell to it. Nobody was a smoker in this car. It just smells really bad because it is a shop car. So it gets driven around a lot and used, and you know, it's got stinky people in it. So yeah. So quickly, I don't know if you can see really well. You know, lighting's tough when it's really, you know, sunny outside. The Typhon has virtually no smell to it. I mean, it smells like a cleaner for sure. It smells like any interior cleaner, any, you know, cleaner. Full transparency, this scrub pad is, you know, it's stained. So I'm not going to be able to see how much I guess it pulls dirt off, but we're going to follow the directions of their interior cleaner. So it says, shake well before using. It says, simply spray Typhon directly onto the soiled surface. Let it set for a few minutes. Gently agitate with a microfiber towel or brush if necessary on stubborn stains. Okay, so the panel is hot because we're out in the sun, so I'm not going to spray directly on because it's going to flash like crazy. So I'm going to spray. Okay, it's foamy. Here, let me show you. I think this is going to suds up. Yeah, it's sudsing up way more than Sword does. If you saw that video, or if you know of Sword interior cleaner, it suds up way more than Sword. I'd have to try it with a detail brush to see if it does like that Instagram, you know what I'm talking about, the Instagram scrubbing. You know what I really like about this product? It's not flashing super fast. It seems like it has really good wetting agents in it, which is great because this is a really hot panel because it is black. So there we go. And we're gonna go ahead and dry the surface. Oh my gosh, you guys, my tape always gets messed up with this. It's whatever. Okay, guys, for real, be for real right now. We're trying to be scientific here and whatever. Okay, so great job. That was amazing. I'm going to just spray a little bit onto my towel and then I'm going to wipe just in case if we don't have any residue. And you can see the flashing. It has great flash time and there's no streaking, which is unusual because a lot of interior products, especially when it's hot, will streak. So yeah, it definitely pulled up some dirt. This panel, I mean, is not disastrously dirty, and it did a really good job on this fabric here too, because it had some dust on it. So really, really good job on the normal Typhon side, diluted 10-to-1, by the way, did amazing. Now we're gonna move on to Typhon with Bio Bomb Minis. So I'm gonna prime my pad here. Oh, okay. Again, this smells pretty much exactly the same as the normal Typhon, just has a little bit of a stronger cleaning smell because of that bio bombs. Don't worry, I'm gonna re-go over this and clean all the buttons in there because there is dust in there. This is diluted 15-to-1 and has the Bio Bomb Mini inside, so it is flashing a little bit faster. That could be because the product is not as concentrated, or I didn't spray enough. I'm not too sure about that, but there we go. Then I'm gonna take my new towel and I'm gonna wipe the surface, and again, absolutely no streaking whatsoever, which is great. And the surface is really, really, really clean. And again, this was a 15-to-1 dilution ratio. So again, I'm gonna spray a little bit on my towel so I can show you guys the flash time. And amazing flash time, it's gone. Like, it doesn't really sit there on the surface. That's probably because it is at a higher dilution. So yeah, but awesome, awesome job. And we're gonna remove the tape line and pull you in so we can see, is there any difference between how it leaves the surface. Okay guys, let me pull you in here so you can clearly see absolutely no streaking on the surface on both sides. Look completely clean. Yeah, there is some dust in there. I will get that. Chill out. Let's remove the tape line. Oh wow, actually, okay, I really didn't expect that. I did not expect that. There's a clear tape line difference. Wow. Wow. So it is, it's not conditioning the surface, I would say, but it is definitely deep cleaning and kind of restoring the look to that plastic. And there's no difference between this side and this side at the dilution ratio. I mean, this one's a little stronger on dilution than this one, but they're the same darkness level. So this, wow. So clearly, you guys, it makes your surfaces look better and it doesn't streak, and I'm just really impressed. All right, so we're here on the interior and you can see that there is dust here, and that this plastic piece is very matte and it's shiny. So it's definitely a piece that if there were to be streaking with a product, you can see that the streaking would show. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take Typhon, and I have my Typhon towel, the normal Typhon. Gonna spray some in there, and then we are going to wipe this side. And you can see flashed off beautifully, no streaking at all, which is amazing. Perfect, beautiful. You can see there was dust there, it's gone. So great. We are gonna go and do on the other side the one diluted 15-to-1 with the Bio Bomb Mini. All right, y'all, so just like with the normal Typhon, we're gonna take the 15-to-1 with the Bio Bomb Mini, and we are going to take our towel. I have it here. Sorry about the lighting. It's really bright outside and the interior is black, so I want you to see the interior more than I care about you seeing my hand in the towel. And again, amazing. Flash time is non-existent. It is so fast. There's absolutely no streaking, and this is a surface where products will tend to streak because of how matte and plasticky it is, but I mean, amazing job. All right, next test we're gonna see about this, because this is the only leather type surface in this entire car. So we're gonna see how well it can clean the leather. So I'm doing this one-handed. It's a little difficult. Okay, fine, whatever, that tape's just gonna stay right there. So we're gonna do Typhon, the normal Typhon interior cleaner, and we are gonna spray it there. I probably should have sprayed into my scrub pad, to be honest with you. So we're gonna see how well this does at, you know, making the leather type surface more matte. Now, it could just be a plastic type surface, but to me it's got a little bit more texture to it. So we're gonna see about that. So Typhon towel, you're gonna wipe. Oh, matte, you guys. Ooh, that's the difference. See, that's the unclean side, very shiny, and here's the other side. It's matte. Now it's a little shiny because this isn't real leather, it's cheap, but you know, y'all see that difference. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use the one diluted 15-to-1 with Bio Bomb Mini. Okay, Bio Bomb Mini. Holding a camera and cleaning at the same time is not very fun, you guys. So you better like and subscribe, because we are trying to get to 1K subscribers by the end of the year so I can do a giveaway for you guys. So leave a comment down below on some tools and products you'd like to see in that giveaway. All right, now we're gonna take our Bio Bomb Mini towel and let's wipe. And again, this product has great flash time, and the Bio Bomb Mini doesn't really do anything to change the way that the product works. And you can see matte. All it does is it increases its odor fighting capabilities. So I'm going to, when I'm done cleaning the entire interior, I'm gonna go and spray it on the carpets before I put in the air freshener, so that, you know, it smells good. Here, I'm just gonna take a towel to wipe up that remaining residue here. Clear difference. I mean, these, again, just like on the door and just like on the plastic here, these look the same. they're not cleaning any differently. They're cleaning very well, and you can see this was really shiny. And this is, you know, matte as it can get for cheap leather. So really, really good cleaner, you guys. All right, guys, so we clearly see this stuff can clean really well. Both the Typhon without Bio Bomb Minis and the Typhon with Bio Bomb Minis. So my final thoughts on this product: I love that it has no scent. I love that it has great odor removing capabilities, because this side of the car, the driver's side that I've cleaned already, it virtually has no smell, and it used to smell like an old hotel with like cigarette smoke, if you know what I'm talking about. So awesome job. The dilution in it is insane. It's wild. It's my favorite part about this product, that this is diluted 10-to-1, you guys, and this is diluted 15-to-1. So I mean, you tell me, when you get the concentrate in this form, yeah yeah, like you get 10 of these or 15 of these, however you choose to dilute it. So I mean, in this car, yeah, one of the dirtier cars that I've done. So I mean, it cleans really well, removes odor really well. I guess I have to try this on like fabric surfaces sometime. I don't really have any fabric to clean or extract right now, so we'll hold off on the future to see how well it does that carpet cleaning. But yeah, you guys, I'm very, very happy with this stuff. Very cost effective, very great. Again, thank you, Erin, for sending me these products. I love them. Can't wait to use them on more interiors. And if you guys want to check these products out, go to the House of Rags, use code DPD10 to save you 10% off, and yeah, enjoy yourself. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. I thank y'all for being here. We'll see you in the next one.